Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use fixed values for the y-axis in Power BI. If you've ever looked at a chart and thought, why do the bars or lines look so dramatically different just because I filtered my data? This tip is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to lock in the y-axis so that your visuals stay consistent and clear, no matter what slice of data you're exploring. Let's dive right in. We'll start with some sample data just to make sure we're all on the same page. Imagine you have a simple table with months and sales figures, January with 120, February with 80, March with 150, and so on up to June at 180. If you'd like to follow along, go ahead and open Power BI and use the Enter Data option to paste in these values. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Just copy the table, use Enter Data in Power BI, and name your table something clear like monthly sales. This little step helps us set up a playground for the chart we're about to build. Now let's visualize the data. Head over to the Visualizations pane and choose either a line chart or a clustered column chart, whichever style helps you see trends more clearly. Personally, I like the line chart for sales over months, but both work great. Drag the month field onto the x-axis and drag sales onto the y-axis. Right away, Power BI does something nice but sometimes unhelpful. It auto-scales the y-axis, adjusting automatically based on your lowest and highest sales values. For our numbers, you'll see the chart's y-axis stretching just enough to fit, say, from 50 up to 200, depending on your data. While auto is convenient, it can make visual comparisons hard if you're switching filters or looking at different time periods. The chart's scale won't always match between different views, which is where fixed values come in handy. Let's fix that y-axis so we always have a consistent scale. First, click on your chart to make sure it's selected. Next, jump into the Visualizations pane and look for the Format option. It's the little paint roller icon. Give that a click, then scroll down until you find the y-axis section. Expand that and keep scrolling until you see Range. Here you have two key settings, minimum and maximum. We want to set minimum to 0. This anchors the base of your chart at 0, making the graph easy to interpret at a glance. Then for the maximum, let's enter 250. You can pick any number that fits your data, but for our example, 250 gives us a bit of breathing room above our top sales value. And that's it. Now, whatever filter or slice you apply, Power BI will always display the y-axis from 0 to 250. This is super useful. Your charts now remain easy to compare, honest about the proportions, and free from that optical illusion that happens when axes get recalibrated on the fly. But why take this extra step? Well, setting a fixed y-axis ensures your visualizations use the same scale every time, which is incredibly important when you have dashboards side by side or need to compare year with year, month with month, or store with store. It's like using the same set of measuring cups for every recipe. Your results always mean the same thing. It also prevents small numbers from ballooning up visually, which can accidentally mislead people into thinking something dramatic happened, when really it's just the scale exaggerating the change. As a final example, if you filter the chart to show just February, which only has a sale of 80, notice how the y-axis holds steady at 0 to 250. The column or line stays in proportion, no surprise spikes or stretching. This consistency keeps your insights accurate and your audience confident in what they're seeing. And that's it for this tip. If you found this Power BI trick helpful, please hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more data visualization tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Power BI guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.